What if I told you that people are making money from Airbnb without owning a house, without paying rent, and without talking to landlords? Sounds impossible. Let me show you 8 real ways it's done. If you are new here, I help people earn from Airbnb without owning property through co-hosting, management, and smart systems. Now let's get into it. Airbnb co-hosting. This is the fastest entry. You manage someone else's Airbnb, guest messages, pricing, check-ins, and earn 10 to 25% for each stay. No property, no cleaning, just systems. This is how many people start. Airbnb virtual assistants. You don't need experience. Hosts hire VAs to reply messages, update calendars, and handle reviews. You get paid monthly or hourly, and it's purely remote. Listing optimization experts. Some people are bad at Airbnb listings. If you can write descriptions, improve photos, fix titles, you can charge per listing. A good listing can improve bookings from 30 to 50%. Property management. This is bigger operation. You manage the entire short-term rental operation for landlords, guests, cleaners, maintenance, and earn monthly management fees without owning anything. Corporate housing management. This is Airbnb's big cousin. You manage furnished apartments for companies, contractors, and long stay guests. Higher pay, fewer guests, and less drama. Airbnb consulting, setup services. People pay for clarity. You help new hosts with pricing, house rules, automation, guest messages. You charge for setups or consultations. Airbnb content and education. You document your journey, YouTube, Instagram, courses, ebooks. You make money from ads, affiliates, and digital products. Yes, just like this video. Airbnb Arbitrage. You don't own the property, you rent with permission and sublet short term. Higher risks, higher rewards, but you still don't own the property. Airbnb isn't about owning property, it's about controlling operations. Comment Airbnb if you want me to show you what option fits you best. Like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.